What's going on, guys? Alex here, back with another Model 3 upgrade video. Today we're going to be installing these wheel covers for the Model 3 from Custom Aero Wheels. If you saw one of my earlier videos, I did the Aero Cap removal and just installed the Aero Cap kit from Tesla, but these will spice it up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer, and I think they're a little higher quality than what Tesla provides. So let's go ahead and get started with that install. So first we got to remove this Aero Cap cover kit from Tesla, and obviously these are pretty easy to take off. You can just pull those right off. But this center cap is near impossible to get off. I spent like all day looking around trying to find a little suction cup mount, and I found this one from Autocraft. It is the perfect size for these center caps that Tesla provided. I was thinking about maybe putting duct tape on these to get them off, but I was afraid to get any adhesive on those. So I ended up finding this, and it fits perfectly. Only thing is, you've got to get it just about perfectly lined up on there. There we go. Oh, so close. All right, I cannot get this one off, so we're gonna switch over to another wheel, see if we can get that to work. Okay, so do the same thing here. All these can come off. And we just gotta get this center piece off. There we go. Pops right off. Okay. Got that done. So then this can just basically pop on in place here. As you can see, I got the gray one here, and it's actually got a black insert in here. I'll go ahead and peel that off. But Custom Aero Wheels sells a black cover and a gray cover. I thought the gray looked pretty nice with my gray car. And they sell different color inserts as well, but I went with the black because most of my other stuff is black, and I think I'm going to do a chrome delete at some point as well. That'll be black. Just line that up in there. There we go. And it pops right in. That's pretty cool. I think that looks nice. Okay, so I think the biggest challenge of this install is going to be just getting these center caps off of the other sides. Okay, so let's switch around to the other wheels and get those done. Look at that. That's pretty clean. Got it. Woo! Okay, there. There we go. Make it pretty. Look at that. Okay, I'm back with my mortal enemy, wheel number 1. Oh, got it. All right. Look at that. All right, cue the before and after montage. Okay, so I'm a big fan of how these turned out. I think they look really clean. Definitely a lot better than those stock cap covers from Tesla. Like the gray that matches my car, and also I get that black Tesla logo that's also starting to match the trim on my car. So big thanks to Custom Aero Wheels for sending these cap covers out. Big fan of them. If you like this product and want to get a set of these for your wheels, I've got a link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback if you use it, but it does mean a lot to me and helps support the channel even more. So if you're a fan of these videos and a fan of these wheel covers, definitely hit that like button. If you have any questions about these, about the install process or anything like that, leave a comment down below. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.